Today I am going to inform you a very important information. That's a program of career guidance. This program is arranged by Students Islamic Organization in association with Aspire Education Center, Kalyan. Today, the world of education is changed a lot. After 10th standard and after 12th standard, where to go and what will be our future, what to select, where are the colleges, these are the questions are always lingering in the minds of students. To clear out all the doubt, to give a clarity to the education, the career guidance program is going to be organized on May 22nd in Kalyan. Today, in 21st century, there are numerous and various courses are available. Not only in college, even technology, even diploma, even in polytechnic, even competitive examination, lot of cutthroat competition. How to crack the set exam, how to go for the NEET exam, how to complete the MPSC. So like that, many programs are there and many events are there. But students need a guideline. How to appear, and after appearing, where to go for the college, how to apply for that. Suppose if I select this course, what will be my future? Can I get job in India or can I have good opportunities and abroad? Many questions but no answer. So this program is going to highlight about the career guidance, a much awaited and important program for the students of 10th and 12th. In this program, eminent personalities in education are going to address your doubt and they are going to give light on what will be the future for you. A wonderful program fully concentrated on your education and career. You have a lot of doubt, you have a lot of lingering questions in your mind. Nothing to worry. Everything will be answered for you. So utilize the opportunity. No need to go to Mumbai or no need to go anywhere. It is in your Kalyan. Come all, come with your friend. Join in the mission. You know that our mission is a vision. Winners never quit and quitters never win. We are all winners and we are going to make you a super winner. For further details, see the video. After that, you will get all the information. You can apply, you can enroll and book your seat. Don't forget, May 22nd is going to change your career forever. Waiting for you. Till then, goodbye.